Hey everyone, my name is Melissa on the Langflow team, and today we are at Hacking Agents New York. Today we are hosting a hackathon, a 24-hour today and tomorrow. We'll be here all day hacking away at the DigitalOcean headquarters. It's us, Langflow, Twilio, 12 Labs, Torque.dev, and DigitalOcean, of course, here as partners. So we can't wait to see what you guys build.
What's your experience with hackathons?
Back in my comp sci days, also my earliest days was in high school when I was studying computer science principles. Did a high school level one. And then of course during my undergrad, I participated in some there as well. Then when I got into my corporate career, I did start going back to doing hackathons until I took my developer relations work. So now it's really cool getting back in the scene of it.
Nice. So it was an early age when you found out you were a nerd. Totally.
Unfortunately. Thanks, Dad.
Guilty. How important are these types of events to building communities?
To me, they're super important. I'm just seeing all the different types of events that there are out there, right? Like meetups, and you get the networking and community part that meetups give you, but you get the hands-on and learning that a tutoring session or a course would actually give you, all wrapped in one. And also the friendliness of the competition and the time constraints just makes it a ton more fun.
Nice. And what is your favorite thing about me?
Maddie, your daughter.
After we kind of kick things off, we have an opportunity for people to hop up on stage and say what their idea is, and they're looking for people to join their team, or maybe they're like, hey, I'm a full stack JavaScript developer and I'm looking to join a team, and some of the ideas were amazing, and next thing you knew, everyone's at a table, at a desk, on a couch, hacking away. First of all, raise your hand if you're feeling fresh as a daisy, had zero anxiety, and can't wait to do this. Can't wait to do this again tomorrow morning. You're all liars.
What's up? Hackathon is going great. Everybody's out here. It's crunch time. It's 2:33. Deadline to submit is 3 p.m. It is a hard deadline. A lot of people stressing out there. It's kind of exciting. I'm like, it's a little intense. I've actually been hiding in this tiny little box. You can hear there's no sound in here. They have these cool little phone booths. I forgot that I am an instructor in Andrew Brown's Networking Fundamentals course boot camp. So I've actually been in here doing some work on that. We had a really great live stream. The comments, the people viewing, the audience was super cool. The chat was popping off. I had a lot of fun though. I look forward to next week. We're gonna help people work on articulating via text or just in words, verbally communicating their skill sets, talking about the things that they're learning in the class and how to translate that into potential job opportunities. So yeah, stay tuned.
Everybody got their projects submitted, they got their final commits pushed to GitHub, and we were able to kick off the presentations, and honestly, they just blew my mind. The person who won the hackathon built this F1, Formula One video, live stream, intelligent experience where you're watching this F1 Formula race and you're like, hey, show me what's going on with this driver, and then boom. It's amazing what people are building with AI.
Thank you, Carter, for having Torque here. I learned a ton about AI products. I know a lot of you probably are wondering, what am I doing here? What does Torque do? And I have a question for you. If you wanted to learn some of the stuff that everybody was just presenting, where would you go? Would you go to a website? Would you go to YouTube? Would you go ask one of these wonderfully talented developers to teach you about the tools? Well, what Torque's trying to do is provide a community, a resource for people to learn about these tools, to upskill yourselves as developers. There's a couple of people here that are in our Torque community that probably wouldn't have even been in this room if it wasn't for being connected to what we're trying to put together. And on the surface, it is a talent platform. I have clients that are looking for developers, maybe such as yourselves. But at the end of the day, it's community first. I think we can educate, we can upskill, we can connect other developers to other developers and resources in the community, because at the end of the day, making you the best developer is what makes me happy. We're always going to have resources for you guys to be the best developers, to learn, to help you grow as people too. I can't give everybody roles, and that's okay, but I can give you resources to maybe find your next one, or maybe the person next to you has one, and you're connecting with them tonight.
That was really something. This is our first hackathon for Torque, and I really think it affected the community positively that we were here. They see a talent marketplace or a website that's based around like the job market, and they get a little like skeeved out, I think. But to see us here supporting something like as big as a hackathon where people are getting together and they're solving problems on the fly, and us supporting that is really a testament to the community we're trying to build. So I'm excited to see what happens next, but first I need to get some rest, so I am out of here.